My Mona Lisa Joshi. This is the parcel that I have been eagerly waiting for, and here it is. I was looking forward to it, having heard so many of them speak about it, show them, display it to everybody. Finally, it's in my hands, and I'm so glad. Thank you so much. And equally eagerly waiting because it also contains my poem along with so many stalwart poems in this, and that's what makes it so special for me. And without wasting much time, let me also open it and just let me hold the book in my hands. And there I go. Let me see how it comes out. Oh my, this is quite hard. Yep. Opened it here now. Then let me pull out the flap and try to, yes, come out please, gently, yes, and yes, wow, there goes my book. And have I emptied out the contents? Yes, there's nothing else in this. So this, I'm putting it aside, and wow, certificate of achievement. Wow, beautiful. On this 24th day of July 2020, this certificate is proudly presented to Shakuntala Kanakagiri, Indian Summer Universes. Thank you so much, founder and managing director of Writers Grand Group, Dipanshu Gupta ji, and our very, very dear founder of Plethora Blogazine, Mona Lisa Joshi, none other than Mona Lisa Joshi, the charming Mona Lisa Joshi. Thank you so much, Mona Lisa Joshi. It's really wonderful seeing this certificate in this manner along with the beautiful book that you have sent. I love this color, this beautiful color, so soothing and so soft, and the way it has been designed, delicate hands, just those lotus flowers in those delicate hands. See the way they are holding it. Such a beautiful cover design. Very, very pretty, and I'm so, very, very pretty. And I'm so glad that it's looking so lovely and so light to handle also. It's not heavy. And what else is there inside this? Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. Yes. Today a reader, yes, but tomorrow a leader or not, I don't know. I can't say about that. And what is this? Thank you for choosing Writers Grand. Okay, an acknowledgement from Writers Grand Group. And I am so glad that there are such stalwarts in this book who have presented their articles here. And I don't know, I mean, I really am in awe of all these people who are here inside with their contents, with their exceptionally brilliant poems and other articles. So this is really very precious to me, and I will definitely cherish this moment, and I'm so glad to hold this book. You can't believe it. Thank you to every one of you who have been associated with Indian Summer in Verses. My best wishes to all of you. Take care, all of you, and bye. Thank you so much once again.
Hello, I'm Moshi Bhattacharjee, and naturally you can see behind my smile what it is. Yes, I got my packet. Actually, I received this packet a few days back, but I was not in the station, and my daughter received it, and today I got this chance to unbox this packet with all of you. So let me unbox this one. Oh, the packet beautiful dream book and what it is inside. Oh, thank you very much for this certificate, Dipanshu Gupta ji and Mona Lisa Joshi. Thank you very much for giving me this certificate. And here, really beautiful cover, and I like the fingers just holding the lotus. Beautiful, really beautiful. And a beautiful forward by Dr. Shwati Pal. Thank you, ma'am, for this forward. And here goes. Here, open this book. Lovely. My poem in this book is True Devotion. It is on page number 130. 103. Here it is. Actually, I'm always a romantic person, and here a romantic poem from my side. On summer, was it a summer love dear, or was it a true devotion? We felt an angelic kiss, and the two of us ever felt. So, this is my poem, and thank you very much, Mona Lisa, for this beautiful, beautiful gift. And thank you very much, Swati Pal ma'am, for this beautiful forward. I am really going to read this whole book as soon as possible, and I'm happy that I'm with so a plethora of very beautiful, very terrific writers, and I love being travel with them all along in this journey.